Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So anyway, in this video I'm going to walk you through how I am doing my meal planning for this week. If you checked out my video from about a week ago, you saw that I was running around like a crazy person in public the night before the first day of school, and I really do not need for that to happen, especially with everything I have on my plate. So what we're going to do is we're going to sit here and we're going to plan our meals during the week. Okay guys, so funny thing is, this video was supposed to be, here I am showing you my nails, actually. They're all jacked up, and of course, I have to tell you about that. So, I actually cut it off with a knife one time when I was making some onions. So, with that being said, this video, I actually talked through the whole thing, but it became very, very, very long. So what I'm going to do right here is just walk you through how I plan out my meals for my week with my kids. Okay, so like I said, I have 4 of them that go to school and they eat lunch at school and they eat breakfast at home. I also have a husband who takes lunches most of the time it's leftovers. And then of course I have the 2 babies that eat at home. Right now, for me, I am not sure how I'm eating. I mean, one day I'm a vegetarian, next day I'm eating keto, next day I am vegan. So right now, we're not focused on me at all. So therefore, I'm just going to show you, will tell you basically. I was going to show it to you, but I don't like the way this setup happened. So anyway, I have my book right here in front of me, and I'm going to show you exactly what I plan. I can actually talk through this faster and give you a breakdown of how I actually do it. So what I did was I, of course, wrote out breakfast, lunch, and dinner for Monday through Sunday. And what I like to do, so I start off with my breakfasts, and what I like to do is make foods like things like pancakes. Like I won't buy boxed pancakes. I'll buy pancake mix and then make a bulk of pancakes and have them in the freezer so that my kids can refrigerate them, microwave them, and it costs less money, as you can see, right? Whatever. Anyway, so for Monday this week is going to be okay. Sorry, and my babies actually like fruits and eggs. So this week I have planned Monday is going to be pancakes, Tuesday pancakes, Wednesday is going to be cream of wheat, Thursday is going to be pancakes, Friday is going to be pancakes, Saturday and Sunday are going to be cereal and milk. I usually used to do a lot of cereal milk during the week, but I find that the cereal goes very fast, even when I buy it from Aldi, which is where I'll be shopping from. Now, after I write out what they're going to be having for the day, I will go on the bottom of that page and I will write down the things that I'm going to need for those meals. And for these meals, I'm going to need pancake mix, strawberries, 2 dozen eggs, blueberries, and 2 gallons of milk because Ryan and Rachel do have milk. So now I'm going to show you my lunches for the week. Lunches are a little bit more tedious just because it's a lot more that goes into lunch. Like I said, my kids take their lunch to school. So what I like to do, I have, of course, Monday through Friday, basically. Monday's lunch is going to be a turkey and cheese sandwich for the main one. Now, my older kids usually always take turkey and cheese. My youngest ones will take peanut butter and jelly. And the older ones, like I said, they take turkey and cheese. So turkey and cheese is going to be for Monday. Peanut butter and jelly is going to be for Tuesday. Wednesday, I'm going to have an egg salad, which is going to incorporate some me boiling eggs on Tuesday. And then we have chicken salad on Thursday. And Friday is going to be tuna. Saturday is, of course, at home. So it's going to be frozen pizza. And Sunday, I'm going to splurge and we're going to do lunch at Chinese food takeout. So, those are the main courses for the lunches. For snacks, we have apples, goldfish, moo tubes, which is another name for Danimal, animal crackers, chips. I'm not doing individual chips. I'm doing a big bag of chips, and I'm going to be doing crackers and some snack like granola bars. Now, last week I bought a bunch of juice, and that juice is already gone. So I told my children that they will be taking water this week. So I'm going to be buying them water bottles. I think 2 of them need their own water bottles, and they're going to be having water for lunch this week, and probably for the rest of the year. I do get Gatorades for my kids that play basketball though. So yes, so for the list for lunch, I have turkey meat, apples, 2 bags of goldfish, 2 boxes of Moo Tubes, animal crackers, 2 bags of chips, 2 crackers, 2 loaves of bread, a block of cheese, 2 cans of chicken, relish, 2 frozen pizzas, and flavor packets because it might be a little nice to let them flavor their water. So now we're going on to dinner. I don't know why I couldn't do this fast right on this video, but this video actually was going to be about 30 minutes, and I don't know why. Anyway, I think because I decided to write, and you actually were there with me during the planning, but I feel like that's just a lot. I think if I could explain it, you will get the gist of it. So I'm just starting to okay. Anyway, so for dinner, I think dinner's the most interesting part. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So Monday, I'm going to do meatless Monday. I have a lot of chickpeas in my cabinet, so I'm going to incorporate those into a chickpea stir fry. If you want any of these recipes, let me know. I am going to be vlogging this week, so I might incorporate these recipes into my vlogs if I have the time. So I probably won't get the time. I'll make the time. Anyway, so Monday is going to be a chickpea stir fry. Tuesday is going to be baked enchiladas, which is a recipe from my husband's mom who passed away, and she left a recipe book for her children. Wednesday is going to be a slow cooker meal because I go to church on Wednesday. So it's going to be beef stew with rice, carrots, and potatoes. Thursday is going to be spaghetti with broccoli. Friday is going to be mac and cheese in my Instant Pot with chicken breast and spinach. Fridays are usually, I don't cook, and it's usually because Fridays are just going so quick, but this Friday meal is actually going to be made during the day. I'm going to put it in my planner and plan that out. And then Saturday is a every man for themselves meal, which usually incorporates maybe a sandwich or something else that I'll add, like chicken nuggets or something that I'll buy extra from Aldi. Sunday's meal is going to be baked chicken, cabbage, rice, and a bread of choice, which is probably going to be a cornbread. And of course, at the end of this, what I would write on the bottom of my list is the things that I want to get. So it's going to be, I don't need any chickpeas. I don't need any rice. So I'm going to buy some like sour cream, beef stew, carrots, a bag of potatoes. I'm going to need some ground meat, some pasta noodles. Yes, the spaghetti noodles. Oh my gosh, I was doing so good. The sauce for the spaghetti. I'm going for the mac and cheese slow cooker recipe. I'm going to need some elbow macaroni. I'm going to need some a can of condensed milk, and I'm going to need some shredded cheese, and a pack of chicken breasts. And for Sunday's meal, I'm going to need a pack of chicken, a cabbage, and some bread mix. And that is it, guys. That's how I plan out my meals. Like I said, this week I'll probably show you a few of them that I come up with. Yeah. Thank you. So I think I'm done. Thank you. I'm actually going to outro this in real time. So stay tuned. Doing it this way at the end of the day helps that for you know exactly what you're going to need for the day. You're not overbuying things. You know what every food that you bought is for, so you have an answer like, what did you buy this for? Like, I'm also going to need like sour cream for the baked enchiladas and things like that. So that's going to end this video. Thank you for sticking around if you're still here and suffering through this video. I don't even know how this is going to come out. I actually might have to redo it, in which you won't even hear this. But if you want more videos like this, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I will do a video showing how I make the baked enchiladas. The baked enchiladas. And yeah, anything else you want to see how I do it. I think I'm vlogging this week, so you probably will see most of these meals in action in some form or shape. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much, and come back next time. Have a great day. Bye.